What is up, guys? This is your boy Minty SRT, and I'm back with another video. For those who are new, I want to present to you guys my baby here, my srt4. Freshly got done, engine rebuild, engine painted, shaved, wire tucked. Now, I know it's too soon. I just picked up this brand new set of wheels. So hopefully this right here is gonna change the look of my car, which it is gonna change the look of my car. There's very nice wheels for now, you know, but I still have my dream wheels, you know. These wheels are so nice. You guys probably gonna dislike the new look and like the old look that it has, the wheels that it has now, or the XSRs. Makes it look more aggressive. I feel like I'm a dish type of guy, you know. I like stance, I'm a dish type of guy. I have to go dish, you know. But this will be a good starter for me to get into the dish wheels. What I have here, guys, is a clutch wheel. You know, gotta get the clutches. 9.5 by 30 offset for this srt4. I'm gonna be able to put these on right now since it's really cold inside my garage. And I'm taking care of my baby right now, so. Thanks to my homie, Jose, with the clean ass Subi. He hooked me up with these wheels, guys. He needed the money, and we just didn't want to see these wheels go to anyone else, you know, so keep it in the fam. So I decided to take them from his hands, and here they are, guys. And for now, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Check it out, boys. Freaking hype, boys. I don't know, you guys tell me in the comments down below what you guys think of these new clutch wheels. I gotta say, these are my first set of real wheels. I had already tried them on. I'll put the slabs and pictures right here so you can see them. These wheels are used and they will need some work done to get them spotless again, you know. As you guys can see, it has some blemishes, it has some curbings on it and scrapes. The clear coat is already peeling off on these wheels. You get a little focus, there you go. See, it's peeling all the way around the rim. The center faces, it looks like it's in good shape. Just a little polish, but I have plans for the center face. But as you guys can see right here, it has some, let me try to focus, there you go. See, it has some messed up edges here, but the lip is good. So I want to stick around and subscribe because I'm gonna be making a video on restoring these wheels back to new again and get custom paint on the center faces. It's gonna look so beautiful, guys, trust me. You don't want to miss that. Subscribe down below. These wheels were already about four years. This is the first wheels I got for this srt4, but I'm just done. You know, I need a new look, so I got these bad boys. You can see another wheel right there. People want to know what my plans are for this car, and I am planning to bag it. So I'm looking into the future, and I'm gonna throw some spacers on this because it's an offset of 30, and it barely hits my it barely misses my strut by hairs, you know. And I don't want my bags to rub on it, on the tire when I lay low. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is add a spacer, probably a 5mm, you know. I don't know, I have to play with this. I wanna do a fender over lip. So when I air out, I want it to slam. I'll tuck right under that lip right there. That's my goal. I don't know, guys, but I'm super excited to actually put in work on these bad boys, you know, and fix them up nice. I need to see how they're gonna look once I have them nice, cleaned up, painted. I'm gonna paint the center. I'm probably gonna paint it mint to match my engine bay. I think that looks so freaking beautiful with some rose gold lug nuts, polished slip. I went for the polished slip. I don't know, man. You guys tell me down below. Give me some ideas to match this car. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, some people are gonna be mad and dislike the new look, but I love dishes, you know. Gotta build it how I want it to look, you know, because it's my car. It's like a 3-inch lip. Wow. There it is. It came with tires, but they're pretty cambered up. But that's it right there, boys. Look at it rolling. Easy. So yeah, guys, these are wrapped in a 225 by 40. You already know we gotta stretch that tire, man. So yeah, I'm planning to go with the 215 on a 9.5 wheel. Pretty stretch, I know I'm crazy, but just the way I love my cars to look. I love the stretch tire. I don't care about the function, so don't even tell me about the function.
I just love it.
I just want the lip to stick out more than the freaking tire. If I get meaty tires, the whole rim looks smaller and it looks way small on my car. But if I get stretched tires, it makes my rim look big. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these bad boys here. Just think they look so nice. Don't mind my toilet paper and shit down there, but no wheel. But look at the wideness on this wheel, guys. Yeah. With that said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Quick update. New wheels for the srt4. Clutches are coming in clutch. If you guys enjoy it, make sure to drop a thumbs up. Comment down below. It helps me out. It helps the channel out. And we keep growing. Shout out to 1,200 subscribers who keep coming back. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Stay safe, stay positive, and like that, your boy's out. Peace.